Hi everyone, my name is Kara Holterman. I'm a tax associate here at Williams Keepers, and today I'm going to go over and discuss part of the update on the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act from that was passed back in December of 2017 over the meals and entertainment section. So this is an area that a lot of companies will actually see where it pertains to them because, I mean, what company doesn't have meals and entertainment expense? You know, whether you're the corporation or the small LLC where you're just filing on your individual tax return. So we'll first start with the entertainment part of it. This is probably where we're seeing the most change, and I'm just kind of going to go over what we kind of saw the old law was just to compare to what the new law was, so you can kind of get to see what the differences are. So with entertainment, as of 2018 this year, the entertainment expenses are completely non-deductible. So this is pertains to whenever you take a client or a potential client or customer out to say you go golfing, or say you go to the theater, or even just to a sports event together. Those expenses related to that are now non-deductible. Now there is one piece of that you can think about that you do get some deductibility for. So a lot of times when you go to these sporting events, you're going to have a drink or something to eat, and those meals associated with the entertainment part of it is still 50% deductible as long as they're separately stated on either a receipt or you buy them separately from your ticket. Like in the past, these expenses need to be ordinary in nature. They cannot be lavish or extravagant under the circumstances, and either the taxpayer or an employee of the taxpayer needs to be present while having these drinks or food. So basically, you just can't have a customer say, "Here's tickets, go enjoy," and whatever they spend on themselves, you can't claim that as a deduction on your taxes. Another thing to note was that the IRS has specifically said that they don't want to see the entertainment disallowance basically being wiped out by meals and entertainment, by inflating the price of meals and entertainment. So say in the past you had a ticket that cost $100, and that was it was an all-inclusive ticket where $100 or $50 was for the ticket, and then $50 was split between food and beverages. And say now they're like, well, now we're just going to move the ticket to $10 and the food and beverage to $90. They don't want that to happen. So that's one thing that you think, oh, well, we can do it that way. But that is something that the IRS has specifically noted, so they may be kind of looking out for something like that may happen. So now that we've gone over the meals and entertainment part so when you're taking customers and clients out, let's go over now to the meals for basically just employees. So part of the meals that in the past was 100% deductible. These were the meals that the employer provided for employee that they brought in for them. Say whether they bring in donuts or bagels, or they have to work late one night, so they bring in pizza for everyone. Those used to be 100% deductible in the old law, but now those are only 50% deductible. Another thing to note is with those expenses that as of 2026, those will be completely non-deductible. And once again, I'm going to state that we will have a chart at the end of this that will kind of go over all of these that I've been going over here now, that you can kind of screenshot or just pause and look at more closely if I go too quickly through some area that you don't know or that you want some clarification on. Another thing with the meals, so that's the only part that really has changed in the past is the one that I said, that the one that's spread for employees, because of the meals are where you go travel, when employees go for travel for a seminar or anything, those meals are still 50% deductible as usual. And the part that pertains to, so when you have a holiday party for your employees, or treating them that way, those are still 100% deductible like they were in the past. I hope today you found some benefit in everything I've gone over. And if there is any other questions that you may have, or you're wanting to dig into this a little bit more, we do have on our website a little bit more detail pertaining to this issue, and an actual article, and the chart that you see will also be on our website at williamskeepers.com. And please feel free to contact us if you have any other questions. Thank you.